Part 4. Stick it in there, Nolan. Stick it in there. Don't let it get away from you. Don't let it get away. Oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. It found a way. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, oh, oh. There you go. There you go. Make your hands fight, and then while they're fighting, you just grab them with your mouth. Oh, let's together. Together. There you go. There you go. You find it. There you go. Don't let it pull down. You know what I should do? I'll let you learn, boy. You gotta learn to control it. You gotta learn to control those hands. Ooh, what's that? Yuck. Okay, time to put the hand back in.